All right, everybody, welcome back to another Tool Time with Kody. This episode is actually going to start a couple week segment that we're going to do talking about air source heat pumps. We're over here today at our Hotel Street project where we're going to be putting heat pumps into 5 apartments. So let's go and take a look. We're back upstairs here at the Hotel Street project. We're doing 5 apartments here, equipping all of them with air source heat pumps. Now, why are we doing air source heat pumps opposed to a forced air furnace or boiler system? So with this being a 2-story living space and a basement, getting the ductwork up through this old brick building here on Hotel Street, getting ductwork up through that would have been a little bit more complicated. What made the most sense to still have a forced air appliance that can do heat and cooling? LG air source heat pumps. Now we're fortunate enough to have a partnership with LG and Meyer Supply that allows us to bring great comfort to all our customers. So with that being said, a lot of people think heat pump, big bulky heads on the wall like we have here. Yes, that is the application that this customer took here, but there's multiple different variations that we can do. We can do the classic white head that you see here. We can also do a head similar to this that is black, also resembles a mirror, and then we also have our picture frame. These units are great because they can do both heat and cooling. Now, granted, a lot of people think upstate New York, cold weather, heat pumps aren't made for that. You know what? Back in the early 90s, that was true. But here down today, LG has a system called LG Red. These allow us to get down into the cool climate temperatures, down into the -5s and -10s and -15s, and lose bare minimum capacity. These units now are made for weather that we receive here in upstate New York. And that's what we're looking for here at this project. These ceilings here, very high. These heat pumps are sized through our design department, which separates us from other contractors. We have a whole design department that's going to take the whole home approach and size these heads to these rooms based off of heat gain from the sun through windows, heat loss through windows, insulation and walls, you name it. We're going to take that in consideration and make sure that the heads are sized properly for your home. Now, this is obviously a new construction. We do a lot of retrofit as well. With the LG heat pumps, when we get into the larger sizes in the cool climate, we do what is called a branch box. This branch box is going to minimize outdoor line height and line set on your house. That's going to give us a sharper, cleaner look. It's going to allow us to run everything internally, like you see here on the ceiling. All this is going to be enclosed through the ceiling, and then our branch box is going to have access points to where we can work on that in the future if need be. Now, these heat pumps, a lot of people ask, what maintenance do we need to do with these heat pumps? There is a filter up top here, and that filter should be cleaned about every 30, 60 days. It's a washable filter. Get up there, pop it out, run it through the sink, leave it out, let it dry. The system can run for the couple minutes that filter is going to be out drying as well. About a year to every 2-year full maintenance. Give us a call. We'll come in. We'll flush your system for you and get all that grimy dust out of the coil itself. Like I said, this is going to be episode 1 of an ongoing segment we're going to be doing with heat pumps. Next week, we're looking to have our VP of Design, Logan Belfield, come in and talk more about the pros and cons of the whole home approach, the cool climate temperatures, and what other variations of heat pumps we can accomplish.